Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday, August 18th. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. And we made it. There's a hot one out there today by us. So we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Oh boy. And this is coming from Round and Round Wonders Tech. Hey, Romulus, Michigan. Alright, another fellow Michigander. So you guys could get one at a low cost. Click on the link down below and check them out. And let's see what they have to offer us. So, definitely excited for this one. And here we go. And one more cut. One tiny cut left. Cut, snip right there. Alright, what do we have here, folks? Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Sweet. This is a DOSS, right? Why is my camera not coming in right? It looks like a DOSS. Speakers. These are the DOSS speakers. Bluetooth. Check them out. Links are below. Giveaway. One easy giveaway. Tell me where you're from. I'll pick the winner on Monday. If you guys want to win one of these. Tell me your favorite music you like to listen to also. And your favorite artist. Make it a little bit more interesting. See what you guys listen to out here on YouTube. Mine is mostly hip hop. And now it's mostly like old school, like Bone, Tupac, Biggie, country. No, not for me. But if that's your guys' thing, that's your guys' music. So, whoa, all right. So we got the DOSS, but I'll be giving this away since it's not open. So, like I said, thumbs up, share the video, please, and let's get these good people. Sell some speakers. Holiday season's coming up. People are going back to college, back to school. This would be a great thing to have in your dorm. And ooh, this is nice. Oh, this is probably one of the nicest ones I got. Look at that. Not sure why my camera's not focusing good enough. Like an extra bass. Oh boy. Full sound review will be definitely on my Instagram a little bit later once this video gets uploaded. Look at that. We got the DCN audio and reset button right here. How I open this thing. Definitely like the color of these. It feels really good. It's like felt almost. Like, there's that. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a reset. TF reader. USB. Pop that in there. I might probably turn it on. This probably has juice. Yeah, let's see. Whoa. This is cool. Definitely, probably Alexa compatible. Sierra.
Was that play the song Zero?
No.
Zero?
No, cancel. Alexa, cancel. See what I mean? She gets crazy now and then. But DOSS, it looks like. DOS. Kind of like the old days DOS for Windows. But like I said, this is nice. Nice color. Up there, the modes. You got a deep bass, but definitely the sound will be. Ooh. You got the highs and mids. Got the tweet right there. You guys can see right through. I want to see. Curious though. Up here's the USB and audio it comes with, and I think it is DOS or DS. Come on, drop. Drop. nice. That's nice. Let me see what it has to offer. Playtime up to 12 hours, varies by the volume and level. That's good. Yeah, one DOSS SoundBox Pro. Volume up, volume down, solid white for extra bass, bass mode, cancel. ADD. Multicolor party light. Oh, okay, so those change different colors: purple, white, blue, yellow, green, red. So that's really sweet. So definitely click on over to my Instagram page, and you guys will be able to hear this thing in action. Because if I share it on Facebook, I get copyrighted too, because I don't post that. I don't own any content to the song. But Instagram's fine for some reason, and we all know that YouTube won't let us have music in the background just because of music copyright licenses and all that good stuff. But we want to keep it safe on this channel. Like I said, giveaway on this one. Tell me what do you listen to, what kind of music, and where you're from, so I can know where I'm shipping it to. You know, guys, I don't have to pay for shipping. I'll take care of that, and just let me know favorite music you guys like to jam out on and relax to. And that's about it, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a great weekend, and most likely I'll see you back tomorrow, maybe, if not Monday. And like I said, I'll be choosing the winner on Monday, so sit tight. Win one of these DOSS Sound Pro speakers, Bluetooth. Great stuff right here. Check them out. Be safe. Have a great weekend.